welcome to another episode of EMA Cloud Rants. Today we want to talk a little bit about monitoring heterogeneous resources. So we all know AWS very popular, and it has its built-in monitoring tool, CloudWatch. But Umair is telling me that customers need something else, that CloudWatch is not sufficient. Umair, what's the issue here?
I think it's not that CloudWatch is a great tool for the purpose solved, right? It's designed for developers, early adopters. But if you go into the enterprise settings, you have to monitor a lot more technologies than the cloud, right? Yes, cloud is rapidly adopted. People love Amazon. They're huge catalog of services. They provide really good management consoles. But if you really want that end-to-end insight, from your traditional infrastructures to all the way to the cloud. And for the next foreseeable future in the enterprise, we'll still see what's a hybrid model, right? And in some cases, there'll be a multi-cloud model as well. Some developers use a different cloud, some use a different cloud, and having an enterprise tool gives them the flexibility of that end-to-end insight. In addition, what our customers at times tell us that, especially the IT ops folks, that feel like these cloud tools at times are designed from a developer standpoint, right? So the type of matrices they provide are limited at times, and they have to do some sort of external reporting too.
But they're still using CloudWatch APIs, or you are still, I assume, leveraging CloudWatch APIs, so you're not actually losing that native experience.
Exactly, right? And we are just enriching it with better data, different matrices, and giving you an easy ability to correlate. Especially for existing customers, you don't have to learn another tool, right? It's the same tool, same concept, just monitoring cloud now. Yes, cloud has different aspects to monitor, but it gives you, at the same time, the overall look and feel of the tool is same as you're doing a Windows machine on-prem in Amazon or even in Azure.
And you were mentioning developers and CloudWatch being targeted more toward developers, or developers are using it a lot more than operators, which is generally what we observe. Yes, but there's now a whole new breed of monitoring tools that are for both, right? They call it DevOps monitoring. For lack of a better term, I suppose, where the developer sees the operational impact of the code that they are releasing, and vice versa. The operator sees what's going on the development side, what's coming down the pike in terms of new releases. How are you guys handling that?
So we totally understand that persona as well, and we are seeing DevOps persona or site engineering persona. So we do already have application monitoring tools and infrastructure monitoring tools. So they're integrated together. So within the APM tool, you can get the relative the specific infrastructure that's running that application too. And within the infrastructure tool, you can get that application context too. And we are running analytics on top across them to help out, through a unified view too. But again, providing that contextual information, not providing them the information of the entire infrastructure, but only their specific application, so they can triage really quickly. So because we have strength in all application infra and even network, our tools are highly integrated, and we are focused on getting them more and more integrated to solve these cross-domain problems.
Exactly. What we want to monitor is the health of an application as it pertains to the infrastructure. So if a SAN is showing a lot of latency, or if I'm planning to upgrade ERP and that is used by my application that I'm responsible for as well, then I want to know that context focused on the application I'm supposed to monitor. It's not like the SLA applies to the storage, yes, but at the end of the day, what I worry about is my application that's facing the customers, or that helps my staff serve the customers better. And that's really a whole new approach to monitoring, away from that separation between APM and infrastructure monitoring, user experience monitoring, all the different monitoring tools, network monitors, all of those things. Thank you, Umair. This was another episode of EMA Cloud Rants.